In this tutorial, you will learn how you can give any of the sites you build with the platform SiteMaker its own custom domain. This will allow you to use any domain you already purchased for the sites you will create in a few minutes. Let's start from the SiteMaker and let's click on the Site Options tab and then on the Name and Domain menu. Here you will see first of all the URL you will need to use when you will create a CNAME for the domain you have chosen. That is, tell the world that when users go to that domain, this site will be shown. Now, let's head over to the service where you purchase your domain. In our example, we will use GoDaddy, but this sequence is similar for all domain registrars and maintainers out there. Here we are in the page where we manage the domain we have chosen for this website, the Chatbots Guy. And the first thing we need to do is go to the DNS settings page, like this. As you see here, we have already created the CNAME we want, but creating a new one is very simple. Click on Add, then here enter what you want to use as CNAME. This is usually www, but you can use whatever you want, like site or M for mobile-only websites. And then here, we need to copy that default URL that we saw before. So let's go back to the SiteMaker, copy this, and paste it here in this field. That is all we need to do here. So let's save this configuration. A very handy tool that GoDaddy gives you, other maintainers give you this option too, is the domain forward. This allows you to specify that when users go to your domain without using the www, they will be automatically redirected to the version with the www, the one we have just created. For SEO purposes, just make sure you use what is called a 301 redirect and save it. What this does is that when we go to the domain without the www, the browser is automatically redirected to the www version, and we are shown the site we have created on the platform. Now, the last thing we need to do, don't forget this step or the process will not work, is to enter here the full URL of the CNAME we have created, in this case www.thechatbotsguy.com, like this, and then save it. And that is all. Just wait about 30 minutes and your website will be shown at the domain you have chosen.